Here's how to withdraw to Ruby Mining app. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Ruby account and you will be redirected on this page. Below, you will see their different icons: Discovery, Charts, Wallet, and three-line button. Click on the wallet icon that you will see below. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this page. You will see the receive and send. Click on the send option so that you can go ahead and withdraw from the Ruby Mining app. Afterwards, what you need to do is click on the enter wallet address and phone number, and then just go ahead and click on the wallet address that you want to withdraw with. Afterwards, scroll down and you will see there the continue options. What you need to do is to click on that so that you can successfully go ahead and withdraw. And for the last step, enter the amount that you are going to withdraw and then enter the transfer info. And there you have it. You have successfully withdrawn to Ruby Mining app.